Hey kids, let's do coloring. This is yellow, orange, sky blue, sky blue. This is a minar. This is red. This is yellow. This is orange. This is a girl. This is brown, yellow, green, red, purple, face color, red. This is a tree. This is green. This is yellow. This is brown. Kids, आप लोग भी मेरे साथ ड्राइंग करो और बताओ ये क्या है. This is a star. This is a parrot. Yellow, blue, green, red. This is a rainbow. Orange, yellow, green, sky blue, navy blue, purple. This is a bird. Sky blue, pink, blue, yellow. Very good. This is a capsicum. Green, yellow, purple, pink, brown, green. So our capsicum is ready. This is a lion. Brown, orange, yellow. Very nice. This is a queen. Brown, yellow. Her face. Pink. Again pink. Sky blue. Good job. Red, yellow, green, purple. Nice. It's a joker. Yellow, pink, purple, green, skin color. Very good. Excellent. A monster. Green. Say with me, green. Yellow. Blue. Very good. A rocket. Red. Blue. Blue, green, orange. It's a kite. Pink, yellow, green. Good job. Say with me, this is blue. Again, blue. This is blue. A rocket. A cute rocket. Say with me, blue. This is sky blue. Yellow. Say with me, yellow. Good job. It's a tractor. Red. Yellow. Say it again. Yellow. Sky blue. Blue. Navy blue. Green. Say with me, green. Very nice. A flower. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Green. Very good. It's a cake. It's a birthday cake. Green. Yellow. Yellow. Pink. Blue. Purple. Purple. Very good. Excellent.